If the screw thread is torn off, we will need a soldering iron. We'll add a little molten copper to the screw cap and then install the drill there. When it's fixed, we connect the screwdriver and unscrew the screw. That's all. Do you have two useless saws? Great. Let's fasten them together with a bolt, washer, and a special nut. We do it tightly, but so that we have the opportunity to move them. Now we fix the structure in a vise and use it as scissors for metal. See how well they cut metal? Use it. We'll install a long nail as a drill for a screwdriver. When it's in place, we'll make 3 holes in the bar. Now it's much easier to screw the screws in. There are many ways to drive a nail. The nail could be held with your hand and hammered, and no matter how deep you drove the nail initially, it can always be hammered in just 2 strokes. Take a wooden panel and separate a small bar. Let's make notes on it with a ruler. Then we fix it with a clamp and rubber bands. We'll make 4 through holes. They'll remain on the panel. Let's add up a few more holes and then make depressions in them. With the help of a level and a bar, we make holes in the wall. We'll clean up after ourselves. We'll install dowels in them, and now, with the help of screws, we'll attach our bar to the wall. Now, we will install wooden plugs in our wooden panel and insert them into the bar. The shelf is ready. In order not to stain the outlet with paint when painting the walls, always start with it. Carefully circle it with a small brush and then paint everywhere else. Let's take 2 ropes of different thickness. We'll wrap a thin one around a thick rope in such a way that we get a knot with a free loop. Add a few more loops and a convenient belt for tools is ready. Take a wooden board, make notes and divide it into 2 approximately equal parts. Using a ruler and a small board, we make notes on the basis of which we'll add holes to the board. We'll install screws in the holes, and now using glue, we'll fasten the boards together and tighten the screws. Now we fix the structure with a clamp and attach the wooden threshold with screws. We'll make 2 wide through holes in these places. And now we'll fix the structure on the machine with magnets. We close it with tape and make 2 identical holes with the machine. We install wooden plugs in them. That's what our design was needed for. It's convenient to work with. And now I'll show you an interesting way to combine 2 boards together. Of course, we'll make notes using a ruler. Then, in the first board, we need to make 2 holes like this. An ordinary jigsaw will help us with this. With its help, we carefully clean the recesses, and that's it. Now, with the help of a ready-made board and a ruler, We make notes on the second board in order to make a notch in it. And again, we resort to the help of a jigsaw of the notch under the first board. Now, with a little effort, we easily combine the boards with each other. That's it, simple and reliable. And here's some interesting physics for you. We'll make 4 bases from 4 bars and install wooden sticks in this way. Now, they hang in the air by themselves and can even withstand a whole bottle of water. Unbelievable!